Hey everybody, this is Jaslyn, and I decided to do my exercise 2 based on books that I have read and that I really liked. So for one of my courses I had to do a reading autobiography. So I wanted to show you guys how I created this presentation. So this is the website that I use is called Genially. And you have to create an account, but it's basically free to use. Only if you want to use all the resources that they have, you have to pay for it. But the free account works perfectly for me. So this is the presentation I did. So you have to choose, I had to choose 10 books, and I had to include a review of why I chose this book, and I had to include a link to each of these books that will take you to a video or a book review. So I decided to choose The Rainbow Fish, the Clues 39 book, Esperanza Rising, Sin Salida, I Am Not a Perfect Mexican Daughter, the Three Dark Crowns series, Again But Better, You Reached Siam, The Dead Romantics, and The Midnight Library. And at the end I had to include my reflection on this project. So since I had to make this project interactive, this website is perfect for that, and it's really creative, so you can just do a lot of stuff with this. So when you want to include a link or something with the picture, you have to put this here, and then you paste the website that you want to add or the link. And you can also add something else. Now you can use a tooltip, window, or make it full screen when you click it. You can even add audio. So the tooltip is when you can type something and then you put save, and when you go to present, and you click and you go over the picture, the tooltip will come up and it will show whatever you wrote in there. So yeah, this is it. And when I click on one of the websites, or when I click on the picture, it will show me their book review or the website that I decided to do. And for some of them I decided to include a video.
Are born in a glen. Sweet little triplets will never be friends.
But yeah, hopefully you guys liked it, and this was my whole presentation, and hopefully you guys use this website to create your future presentations. Thank you.